Everyone keeps saying data science is the future. High salaries, huge demand, endless opportunities. Sounds great, but here's the brutal truth. Most people entering this field are not going to make it. Not because the field is dying, but because the bar is rising fast. What used to be enough a few years ago, basic Python, simple models, a few projects, is now the bare minimum. And when something becomes the minimum, it stops being valuable. Think about what's happening right now. Thousands of people are learning the same tools. Python, SQL, machine learning libraries. Tutorials are everywhere. Courses are everywhere. And even AI tools can now generate code in seconds. That means the advantage of knowing tools is shrinking. If everyone can do the same thing, then it's no longer a differentiator. The market doesn't reward effort, it rewards scarcity. And basic skills are no longer scarce. This shift didn't happen randomly. Data science evolved from statistics and computing into a core business function. Now, with AI automating parts of the workflow, the role itself is changing. Tasks like data cleaning, basic analysis, and even model building are becoming faster and more automated. So companies are no longer looking for people who can just run models. They're looking for people who can understand problems, design systems, and deliver impact. Here's where most people get it wrong. They focus on learning more tools instead of building deeper understanding. They jump from one library to another, one course to another, thinking more knowledge equals more value. It doesn't. What actually matters is your ability to connect data to real outcomes. Can you take a messy business problem, break it down, analyze it, and produce a result that changes something? That's rare, and that's what gets paid. Now let's talk about the future. Data science jobs are not disappearing, but they are splitting. On one side, low-level roles are becoming commoditized, easier to replace, easier to automate. On the other side, high-impact roles are becoming more valuable. People who can design data systems, integrate AI, and drive decisions at scale. The gap between average and top talent is getting wider. And here's the uncomfortable part. Most people will stay in the average zone, not because they can't improve, but because they follow the crowd. They learn what everyone else is learning, build what everyone else is building, and expect different results. That doesn't work. If you want to stand out, you need to go beyond the obvious, focus on problem solving, business understanding, and system thinking. At the Learning Studio, the goal isn't to sell you a dream, it's to show you reality. Because once you understand where the field is going, you stop chasing trends and start positioning yourself strategically. And that's the difference between someone who struggles to find opportunities and someone who creates them.